Hello everyone, how to do so back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you uh, it's a dating app, Luxy Pro Elite Dating. So it's the rich person dating app. So here you can see the rating of the app 4 out of 5, and the reviews 3k reviews. It means 3000 people write something about this app. We'll see it later. The size of the app 61 megabyte, and 100,000 plus people already use it or download it. Okay, we'll see some screenshot here. You can see really looking good match. You can accept or you can love their picture, or you can see their name, their age, city, their income, revenue, everything, and you can see their profile picture. And if you connect, you can connect globally. Create an enticing profile. You can create profile. You can give the bio. Share sparkling moment. You can also share the daily activity with your friends or with your partner. So here you can see the about this app. Millionaire dating app for successful and charming singles. So here is some feature you can use. It's not totally free. You have to buy the package. The app is released 2016 and they're updating, and we'll see some reviews and ratings, what actual people think about this. We'll see 5-star ratings. So far things look very organized and professional. I can't get myself the package given that it's rather expensive, but I think those prices are good sign given how committed they are to maintain the app's reputation and status. So it's not really free, but the good thing is that if you face any problem, then you should let them know, or you can give the review, and they replay all the ratings you can see. And we'll see some negative reviews. I have just downloaded this app for the first time and it's not allowing me to use it, but messages come through and not able to check them. So if you face any problem, you should let them know, they will fix it. So okay friend, today is Noman. Thank you for watching the video.